Okay, so today we're talking about the Insta360 Go 3. This is the black version, 128 gigabytes of storage. And today I wanted to answer the question, is this good as a traveling camera? So the answer is not, it's a yes, but it's not an obvious yes, because it does have some limitations that you have to understand before getting this camera. So look, it's a lot of fun. And this part is waterproofed, so you can jump into the water with this thing, not a problem. It's good because you can attach it to a pendant, so you can put it on your chest and walk around all day. Battery life is good. A lot of upside, the image stabilization is great. But when you're traveling, sometimes you want to do things that this camera just won't allow you to do. For example, you cannot zoom in with this camera. It does not have a zoom lens, and you cannot really crop in because it's only 2.7K video. And the photos themselves, you're better off just using your smartphone. Also, if you want to shoot in low light, this is not the camera to be using. Then I would recommend using a smartphone. But I still would say that this is a good travel camera because you can use this and your smartphone. So for example, if you want to zoom in on something, you can use your smartphone. If you just want to have fun with this, jump into the ocean or just attach it to do a POV shot, this one is great for that. But as a sole travel camera, I would not recommend that because it's just too limited. However, traveling should be about having a lot of fun. And there's a lot of fun features in this camera, which makes it perfect, right? So for example, like I've said in previous videos, I do not like to use my smartphone at all times when I'm recording because I don't like to have, it like this in front of my face. But this one does have a flip out screen and I can record using it like this. I can attach this tiny little camera on metallic objects and get really cool shots. And so, for example, I don't have to have my tripod with me. I can just attach this to anything magnetic, basically, and get really cool shots, whether it's on the plane or the train or when you're just walking, you can always find something metallic to put these things on. And so for that reason, it's excellent for traveling and it's so much fun. It has a ton of features. You can do these nighttime lapses. You can use these hyper lapses where you're just walking through the city. Things that smartphones can also do, but with this camera, you can attach it, to the pendant under your shirt and you get really cool shots from that. So I think this camera is actually a good complement for traveling. I just would not only bring this camera. That's all I'm saying. Okay, that's all I had for today. Hope you enjoyed this short little video and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.